There are a lot of challenges out there. Some might seem impossible, but they're not. They just tell us that new solutions are waiting to be discovered, to help us solve any problem that might arise on the next job, and earn the pride that comes with belonging to a winning team. There are different kinds of winners. There are some who settle for greatness, and others who take the lead and stay ahead of the game. Those who never say, "That'll never work," but rather, "Why not?" Who set the standard for what's considered high-tech, and who think beyond power and also focus on the well-being of the users. Those who carefully select materials and components and mercilessly test them on a never-ending journey towards perfection. All of this results in machinery that strengthens the people who use it, helping them to be faster and more confident, preparing them for any challenge that comes their way, making the end of each day a great new story. Real stories that help us reach the next level of professional outdoor power equipment.